is the union.
Actually, union.
And we call it, like here, it will be the Ethiopian Union Mission.
Ethiopian Union Mission.
And under the Ethiopian Union Mission, you have all the fields in Ethiopia.
Ethiopian Union Mission,
and then we have another level. Can someone mention that to me? After the union, what's next? Some say it's the division, some say the general conference. In fact, to be technically correct, the next one is the general conference. The East Central Africa Division is just part of the general conference.
East Central Africa Division, General Conference.
And in the division we have, in the world we have 13 divisions.
Our time we want 7 advantage take
13. 1 3.
Union
Division. Yes.
Division world.
And the East Central Africa Division is one of those 13 divisions.
East Central Africa Division world.
The East Central Africa Division covers 11 countries.
And East Africa Central Division we welcome
We cover Burundi, Djibouti, Eritrea, Somalia, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya. Did I miss one? Ethiopia. So to organize a field,
and we
need to follow the policies of the church. And so we have followed those policies. And all of those birth pains that some have experienced is probably because of those policies. Because sometimes you want to do things quickly, but the policy says, wait. Because the church is structured, and it follows a certain procedure. And sometimes those procedures take time. But when the mother gives birth, she has a healthy baby. So it's better to wait so that you can have a healthy baby. If it's premature, you might have to treat the baby for a long time. Today we think that the baby is about to be delivered. So on the 31st of January this year, the Executive Committee of East Central Africa Division approved the Ethiopian Union's mission request for the realignment of Southwest Ethiopian field to create and officially organize the Gambela field. And so I have covered the history of the policy a little bit. But the policy says that the officers also need to be voted. And this was done according to the policy by the union.
So,